everyone, welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how to get scrolling text in OBS fast and easy. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more tutorials like this. So first you have to open up OBS Studio. After opening OBS Studio, you have to click here where there's the plus icon. Click on it and go over to text. Open text. After getting in text, you can change the name text or you can change an existing one. Then press OK. Then you're going to see a text box. Go write your text there. You can even change this font. Then I'm going to resize my text. After resizing my text, I'm going to right click on text, add sources, or whatever you've named your text. Then after right clicking, go down at the bottom, then you'll see filters. Press on filters. After pressing on filters, you're going to see this window pop up. After going here, you press plus at the bottom. Then you go to scroll. You can name your filter and I'm gonna keep it scroll. Okay, here you can see your text and what type of movements or whatever it's doing. So I wanted to scroll from right to left. There. Now as you can see, my text started to move. If you want, you can even make it go up to down, down to up. And if you just put this like here, let's put it to 0 here. So if you put this back, it's going to go to a negative number, so it's going to go to the other side. The same for the vertical speed. So I want it to stop here, and I want this to move. Okay, now you can see it's scrolling. Then you just press close, and there your text is scrolling. I hope this tutorial helped you out. And if you want more videos like this, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. This would help me out. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and see you later.